Hello, today I'm going to teach you an easy way to make your eyes stand out. You can create a natural or smoky eye look with Nanacoco Professional eyeshadow palettes. Today I'm going to create a more natural look. First, I'm going to apply the Eye-Lusive eyeshadow pencil as a primer for my eyeshadow. Then, I'm using the eyeshadow from the quad in the shade Autumn, blending all my shadows out with various brushes from the All Mine brush collection. With the Nanacoco Professional eyeliner duo, I'm going to line my lid with a liquid eyeliner. When it's dry, use the solid liner of the pencil to outline the waterline. Then, I'm going to use the Glitzing Face and Body pigment underneath my waterline to add the wow factor to the eye. Last, I'm going to finish my look by using the Nanacoco Professional HD Extreme Mascara. I like to apply 2 coats of mascara for a more extreme eye look. Now apply your favorite lipstick color and you're ready to go.